Whiskers was just a tiny kitten with a big secret. One sunny afternoon, while chasing a dust bunny around the living room, he let out a tremendous sneeze and vanished into thin air. Confused, he pawed at the air, realizing he was completely invisible. This newfound power was thrilling and a bit scary. Whiskers couldn't wait to explore the world without being seen. With a twitch of his little whiskers, he sneaked into the kitchen and snatched a piece of fish from the counter, then tiptoed past the sleeping dog next door without a single bark. Each sneeze brought on another adventure, like sneaking into the neighbor's garden to watch the butterflies up close or exploring the attic's mysterious corners. But Whiskers soon learned that even invisible kittens can get into sticky situations, like when he sneezed in front of the mirror and startled himself back into view. Every day was an exciting quest, as Whiskers discovered the magic and myths